Hey everybody, I'm Vadim. Today we're going to be downloading the new Nagios Log Server R2 using the OVA with VMware. By downloading this OVA, you could quickly get Nagios Log Server running in your environment for testing. Without further ado, let's get started. To download the NLS R2 OVA, we first want to go to nagios.com. And in here, we want to hover over Products and select Nagios Log Server. Now we want to click Get Started Free. Here we get a pop-up asking if you want to install any guides or tips via email. You could enter in your information here or skip this by pressing the X. And now what you want to do is click Go to Downloads. If you are setting up a Nagios Log Server instance, we recommend setting it up using Linux. If you are installing NLS using the OVA, make sure you click on VMware where you could find the extension .ova. Then you want to click on Download Now. Now we will wait till it downloads. Once it is done, you want to click this folder icon and extract the zip file. And we'll just extract it here. And once we have extracted that, we can find the OVA file, as well as some change logs, a README, and some guides if you need it. With this OVA, we're now going to open up VMware Workstation. And from here, what you want to do is click File, then click Open. And we want to go into Downloads, into that Nagios Log Server folder. And then we'll click the file labeled .ova. Then we'll click Open. From here it asks to name the virtual machine. We're going to name this NLS R2 OVA, and then we'll hit Import. And now that it has loaded the OVA, we want to just double check the virtual machine settings and make sure that our network is bridged so that we can find it. And if you want to make any changes to the hard disk, you can make that here. Otherwise, we'll close this out and hit power on this virtual machine. And I'll resize this window. Then it'll start installing the virtual machine. You have a default username of root and a password of Nagios LS, and you could log in here. And now we'll go to this IP address to install Nagios Log Server. And now we're in the final installation steps. We want to click Install Nagios Log Server. We're going to keep free 30-day trial. If you have a license key, you could enter that in here. And for the username, we're going to keep this Nagios admin. For the full name, you could change this to whatever you would like. And for the password, make sure it is a secure password. It's important for you to enter in this email so you could get a password reset or notifications. And for the language type, I'll leave it as default. And for the time zone, I will enter in Central Time. And click Finish Installation. After that, we see that installation is complete. We want to enter in the username that we just created, so Nagios admin. Type in that secure password and click Login. And there you go. You've now installed Nagios Log Server R2 using the OVA. If you have further questions, visit support.nagios.com or visit our YouTube channel for more helpful tutorials. And with that, I'll see you in the next one.